Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to record footage with the Tesla Dashcam. So first I'll begin with showing the best settings for recording footage. So go into the controls and then under safety you will see Dashcam. So I think the best settings are to set it on auto and on honk. So this means that the auto setting means that it will record when there is a safety event, such as an accident or airbag deployment or such. The manual setting allows you to press the dashcam icon to save footage, and the on honk functionality lets you use the horn to trigger recording the dashcam footage. And even though it's on auto, you still can manually press the dashcam icon to record footage. And we can see here under controls that it's actually recording all the time, just ready for, so just even though I'm parked here, I'm in the drive mode so that we can demo this. So it's recording footage all the time, so if there's an event it will be able to record footage from some minutes before the event as well. So if I just tap on the horn button, it will save the footage as it's showing here now. And also if there's a safety event or if I press on the dashcam button, it would record that footage. Now if I go into park, I can show you what the recording looks like. So now I'm in park, well it's still saving, let's wait a moment. So now it has saved the footage and we are in park. So when we go to the dash cam, and here on the top we can select all sentry or dash cam. Let's select dash cam, and here we can see the footage which was triggered by the honk. So this is almost 10 minutes of footage, and the red dot is kind of where I honked. So we have all this footage from before as well. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.